going, guys? Welcome back. Pretty much at the time being, I got nothing really to go ahead, no events happening, so it's just pretty much a normal chill day up in Port Hedland, really. Currently just gonna go to Woolies to get stuff for me work and all that, since on a roster type of work, so I do 4 weeks on, 2 weeks off. I'm currently still on my break, but I go back to work this Friday, so I won't be posting any videos for the time being in a while after this one till I find something. But at the moment, yeah, nothing really to report, nothing exciting at the moment. Just go for a cruise with that, might go see some road trains go past, but watch the ute later on. Yeah, I've got some Legos on the way, some Fast and Furious ones. So I got Brian's Skyline for 2 Fast and Furious, Green Eclipse from the first movie and his Orange Supra, so I'm keen as to show you guys those once they come in. We'll see how they go, because I'll probably film that, building those things down the line once they come in. And yeah, they'll keep me distracted for a while and we'll go from there. As you can see, it's a pretty beautiful day out. It's always like this up here in the Pilbara, northwest of Western Australia. Hence why you always see me single and shorts all the time once I go south, where it gets a bit colder. Perth is going to be warm during summer as always, but you know, up here in the outback, she's always hot, always hot. Yeah, so I go back to work Friday, and yeah, I won't be back September. I go on break, so I'll be working all of August. Early September I should be back on break for 2 weeks off, and see what any plans or what other events that might pop up. If it's nothing, then yeah, I'll just get onto the Lego builds later down the line. I'm going back down to my hometown in Mount Gambier, so I'll be catching up a lot of mates down there, so they're keen to have some footage shown of their cars and their cruisers and that. They've got a lot of car meets down there that's been organised, so the car scene slowly starting to get built back up again like it was about 10 to 20 years ago. It used to be massive down there, then it kind of died off and that, and you know how it is. I won't go into it. We'll just take it day by day and see where it leads us. So I arrived at Woolies, so trying to get all my stuff ready for work and all that, and do myself a meal prepping, so it shouldn't be too long. I also want to let you guys know I'm also not a big budget builder, like to get all cars and all that. You see, with everyone else, I'm pretty much an everyday bloke that just wants to have a go and just loves passion for his cars, travelling and all that, meeting up with good people and meeting people along the journey and see where it leads us. Like, yeah, I got a burnout car, but that took me a very long time to build it. I did previously had an engine built on it and went rods out, doing 6 sets on it, so I got a fresh build. Got that done before I moved to Western Australia. It's sitting in the shed, but I'm that keen to get it out. Eventually, once the house is built in Perth, and once we make the big move, go get LIVIN, go get the HJ as well. I'm gonna go get me get these cars over and just start doing what I want to do, and just get this thing and this YouTube channel rolling. So this is the road train assembly where they will park the trucks up and split the trailers if they have to, or they're just parking overnight. Some companies park them up, but there's not much work going on either, or they're on less tonnage. But yeah, they'll pull them up here if they have to rest for the day or night, or they need to pull some of the trucks off the road for the time being. It's one big park, really. That's handy to have if you got a big road train.
Music licensing reimagined.
Big MGM truck. The Jamisons, Campbell's are over there. not many road trains rolling through on the highway, but I'll head back home anyway. Gotta get the shit sorted, get all this stuff put back in the pantry, get shit organised. So I got back home, gonna put my groceries away, make my meal prep for the week, and yeah, just probably chill out on the couch for a bit, and then wait till the weather cools down and gets a bit lighter during closer to the night. So I'll wash the ute, so I'm not out in the heat absolutely sweating my guts out just to wash the ute. But just do that, then yeah, just make the ute look a lot better. Anyway, I'll see you later on tonight. I thought
Music
I'd watch the cars this afternoon, box of goodies.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Bit crammed up in here, but oh, it should be fine.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, car's washed. I'll hit it with the old sham whale and get it all fucking dried up. And yeah, let's go from there. See how she turns out anyway. Turned out pretty good.
Artlist.io.
Not bad, not bad.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm actually quite happy with that.
Artlist.io.
And if you ever don't have the chance to go to the car wash and you just want to do a quick DIY, just get yourself a Maguire's freaking shampoo and conditioner and just put that in the bucket and just sponge it up and get yourself one of these once you want to dry it up. I would recommend. Anyway, gonna leave you to it with that anyway. So yeah, we'll just go park
Music
the Hilux
licensing
back up.
reimagined.
Clean. Yeah, but yeah, thanks for watching. I'll fucking talk to you. Have a good one.